Need perfect hair on your next trip without packing a huge styling bag? In today's episode of Theory of Simple, I'm sharing my top 5 travel hair tools that I take on every travel adventure. These tools are lightweight, packable, and perfect for anyone traveling carry-on only. Whether you love heatless curls or a cordless straightener, or want the flexibility of a dual voltage multi-tool, I've got you covered. These are the tools that actually work on the road. All right, ladies, this video is for you. For those of you who travel and you want your hair to look good on your travel adventure, these are my top 5 holy grail tools that I take with me on my travel adventures. Do I take them all? No, depending on where I'm traveling. But most of the time I'm taking at least one of these tools with me. So let's get started. This number one tool is the lightest of them all and the one that will protect your hair the most, and it is a heatless curl tool. It comes with these 2 little scrunchies so you can divide your hair in half and get it to be curled, and this little sponge thing here that sits on your head. I have used this so many times. I use it at home. I use it while I'm traveling. I've even used it on a long haul flight where I wanted to actually end up at my destination with my hair looking really, really good. It's one of these things, it's small, it'll pack in your personal carry-on, and it's one of those that I probably always pack with me because I know I can use it. A lot of times I'll straighten my hair on my first day, and then the second day I might want it curled. So then I'll just put this on. I will sleep with this at night and I wake up with my hair curled and looking good. The other way I use it is sometimes I will put this on during the day. I'll do all of my work during the day, and then if I'm going to be going out at night, I just pull this out and my hair looks great for my dinner out at night. So this is one of my staples. It also means you get to have a couple of hair bands on your travel adventure and a hair clip. So multi-use, multifunctional, this is a must-have for me. This next tool is a cordless straightener, which is great to help tame and straighten your hair or tame flyaways or get your hair really straight. You can give a little flip curl with this thing. I do like that. So if you like a straighter hairstyle, this one's for you. I like that it has a window here so I can see the temperature of the actual brush, and it shows you climbing the temperature and how hot it's going to get, and you can control that with an up and down switch. I love that these bristles are higher than the heating element. So if you're taking this through your hair and you're actually pulling it through and you're touching this, it doesn't actually get hot on your hands, but it'll get hot enough to style your hair. This is one of my favorite tools to take on my travel adventures because it's so small. Now you will have to pack this in your carry-on luggage because there is a battery in here. It also comes with a power cord and a power brick, so you can power it several times, but I'm able to get a couple of good, maybe 3 or 4 uses out of this, out of one full charge. So I love this to take on my travel adventures. This next one is also cordless, and it's a curler, and it is one that I curled my hair with 2 days ago with this, and it still stayed, and I love this because of that. This has a little switch here that allows it to go left or right when it's curling. So whether you want to curl back or you want to curl forward, it allows you to control that with this tube. You'll slip your hair in here and it'll automatically just roll it up. It is tangle free. If it does feel like it's getting a little bit of tension from tangling, it'll automatically release a little bit so that it doesn't come in and tangle your hair all up in this. And then you'll hear a little beep and it'll let you know it's time to pull the curls out. I can curl this whole head of hair of mine in less than 5 minutes. That's wonderful for me. When you're on a time crunch, this is great. I will get about 2 full curls, maybe 3, out of a full charge on this. It also comes with a charging brick and a cord. And again, you will have to pack this in your carry-on luggage because there is a battery inside of this that they won't allow you to check it. For those of you who are minimalist international travelers, this might be for you, and it's one of my travel favorites. It is automatic dual voltage, meaning as soon as you plug this into your adapter, it'll automatically adapt to the voltage coming out of the wall, so you're not going to fry your tool and break it. I also love that it is multi-purpose, multifunctional. So as you can see here, it is a curler. I think it is a 1 1/4 inch barrel, but it's also a straightener, so I can straighten my hair as well. I also love that the little tips here don't get hot. So when I'm straightening my hair, I have something to grab a hold of to give some great tension in and get my hair nice and straight. I love the compact format of this. This goes with me a lot because it's just so small. And if you're packing carry-on only, this is a great tool for that. I have been in 3 hotels or Airbnbs this year where my blow dryer was either broken, missing, or so poorly functioning that I could hardly dry my hair. So that's why I got this new tool. It comes in this bag, and I know it looks like a lot, but you get a lot in this bag, and you don't have to take every single piece with you, but let's go through it. This is a dual voltage hair dryer styler 5-in-1. It's automatic dual voltage, so all you have to do is plug this into your adapter and it'll automatically change from 110, 120 to 220, 240. I love that. It comes with attachments that go on just like that. This is the drying attachment, and it is amazing. It dries my hair quickly so I can keep styling quickly, and the attachments switch really quick. It comes with a generous size diffuser. For those of you who have curly hair, this thing is going to help diffuse your hair so you can get those nice rich curls that your beautiful curly hair has. And it also comes with a few other tools like a small styling brush here to get you some more loose curls, as well as my favorite, which is this styling brush when I want to get a nice straight look. This kind of straightens my hair really nicely. And of course, it comes with these 2 curling attachments that allow you to curl right and left with your hair. This is like the Dyson Airwrap. It kind of sucks the hair in and wraps it around and gives you some wonderful curls. So this is a great one to have because I get a dryer, I get a straightener, I get a curler. It just does everything for me. And if nothing else, I will bring this along with me because, like I said, I don't know how many times now I have gone and dryers aren't working. So this way I know wherever I am, I'm going to have a dryer with me. All right, so tell me, guys, of all the things you saw here today, which one was your favorite? Which one would you take on your travel adventures? Let me know in the comments below. Many of these tools are having great Black Friday deals. I will link all of these in the video description. And remember, folks, travel adventure favors the prepared. Happy travels.